Hello guys, this is Salman sir here with Spring Chemistry, and today's video we are going to discuss about Chemistry Paper 1 from question number 9 to 15. 3 marks question we are going to discuss today in this video. Now we will take the 9 question first. Is it okay? 9 question this is from electrochemistry. Options are given, either you do this question or this question. Calculate the EMF and delta G of the given cell at 25 degrees. So these are the cell given to you. This cell, anode and cathode, and SREP is given, SREP for chromium and SREP for iron. So you will calculate the EMF and delta G. Now, so SREP to given to you, so first you will calculate the E naught cell, and E naught cell will be calculated E naught cathode minus E naught anode, and the value which is bigger value, which one is bigger value? This is bigger value, it will be cathode minus anode. We have done this. This is E naught cell. E naught cell you have to calculate to get the value of E cell. E cell formula is E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log. The formula is here, Cr triple plus whole square Fe whole thrice, Fe double plus whole thrice, Cr whole thrice. These two are metals, so concentration will be 1. The ions concentration will be put it is given here for Cr triple plus 0.1 and for Fe double plus 0.01. We are going to put the values. The value of n will be 6 because there are 6 electron gain and 6 electron loss. If you will get the balance equation for anode and cathode, and on addition you will get the value of n. So here E cell will be 0.2606 volt, and if you will got the E cell, then formula is what? Delta G is equal to minus n F E cell. Then in that case you are not going to put E naught cell, here E cell will be put it, n value 6, F Faraday constant 96500 coulombs, E value you have calculated, put the value, delta G will be negative, that shows the reaction is spontaneous. The second part of this question, that is calculate the degree of dissociation alpha of acetic acid. It is a molar conductivity given to you, and molar conductivity of hydrogen ion and molar conductivity of acetate ion is given to you. Then how to calculate the degree of dissociation? Now the degree of dissociation, that is alpha, is what? Molar conductivity at any concentration upon molar conductivity at infinite dilution. The molar conductivity is given to you, that is 39.05, and molar conductivity at infinite dilution you will calculate for acetic acid, molar conductivity of hydrogen ion plus molar conductivity of acetate ion. So this is the molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution and molar conductivity of acetic acid at certain concentration. It is given to you, and the ratio will be the degree of dissociation. You can calculate the percentage also by multiplying it by 100, so it will be a 10%. So now if you will say that which question you will like to choose, this one or this one, you know that this is very easy question. In 2 steps you can do it, and here there are 3 big steps will be required. So my choice will be the B part. See question number 10 here. Name the important ore of silver. How is silver is extracted from its sulfide ore? Give balanced chemical equation involved in the extraction of pure silver. So here the name of important ore of silver, that is you will write here, and after that the process you are using for the extraction all will you going to write. Argentite is the main ore of silver, that is Ag2S. Horn silver is there, right? Horn silver you can take, AgCl you can take. Now concentration, first you are going to do the concentration of argentite ore is done by Froth flotation process because it is a sulfide ore. So all sulfide ores concentrated by Froth flotation process. The concentration by Froth flotation process, after that some chemical equations. Here Ag2S is dissolved in sodium cyanide solution, it forms sodium argentocyanide, and it is a reversible reaction, so it is passed, excess of oxygen is passed, that convert Na2S into Na2SO4. Now the reaction will be irreversible, and sodium argentocyanide is treated with zinc, by that way silver is precipitated. So all 3 reactions must be given with balancing. And at the last, how will you do the refining? The refining will be done by electro refining. So you will write electro refining. How will you do the concentration, what are the reactions involved, and how refining will be done? That will be the complete answer of question number 10. If you will see question number 11, how will you convert the following: chlorobenzene to biphenyl, propene to 1-bromopropane, and chlorobenzene to aniline? All conversion belong to the first chapter of organic chemistry, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now, how will you convert chlorobenzene into biphenyl? That is, chlorobenzene is treated with sodium in presence of dry ether. On slight heating, you will get biphenyl and sodium chloride. Here, byproduct is must and the reaction must be balanced. Now, that is what? Propene, CH, double bond CH2. It is treated with HBr in presence of peroxide, that is anti-Markovnikov rule, and in that case the product will be 1-bromopropane. If you will not take peroxide, the product will be 2-bromopropane, and that will not be accepted because in the question the product must be 1-bromopropane. The peroxide is must, HBr is must, reaction no need to balance, reaction is already balanced. In third case, chlorobenzene to aniline we want to convert. Here treated with ammonia and in presence of Cu2O at 475 Kelvin and 60 atm pressure, it will be aniline, Cu2Cl2 and water. Here you will write 2 here, the reaction will be balanced. So all reaction must be balanced, and with the byproduct you will get full marks. If you will see question number 12, explain what is observed. A beam of light is passed through the colloidal solution and an electric current is passed through the colloidal solution. An electrolyte AlCl3 is added to the colloidal solution of arsenious sulfide S3. Now all question related to the colloidal solution, that is surface chemistry. The chapter name is what? Surface chemistry. Now in this, how will you write the answer? You can see the answer. A path of beam when passed through the colloidal solution, it illuminates. That is called Tyndall effect. It happened due to the scattering of light. Now, second part, positive charge move towards cathode and negative charge move towards where? Negative charge moves toward anode and positive charge moves towards cathode, and this process is called electrophoresis, right? So this happened when electric current is passed through the colloidal solution, and when you will add AlCl3 into the arsenious sulfide colloidal solution, then coagulation or flocculation will take place. In that case, these are the keywords. All the keywords will give you full marks if you will write the keywords. Don't write extra thing, save your time and write the keywords. If you will see question number 13, how will you convert the following? This is the conversion again. Give balance chemical equation. Here benzoyl chloride to benzaldehyde, methyl chloride to acetic acid to methane. So these belongs to the chapter carbonyl compounds, right? In which we are having carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone. That is very important chapter. And here we are having two options. In this, stereotypic questions are given when a ketone, when undergoes iodoform reaction, gives compound B on reduction, B on heating with conc H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin give compound C, which form ozonide. D on hydrolysis with zinc does give only E. Identify the compound A. The identification questions is in option from the same chapter. Now, how will you write the answer? Now, see the answer. Benzoyl chloride is treated with hydrogen in presence of PdBaSO4, boiling in presence of xylene. The product will be benzaldehyde. So how will you convert benzoyl chloride into benzaldehyde? This is the simplest one line answer. You can go some other way also, but this is the smallest answer. So you go through the smallest because it is very important reaction. So this is a name reaction, Rosenmund reaction. So you can easily everybody learn it. Now second question. Methyl chloride treated with KCN, KCl will be lost, CH3CN will form, and on hydrolysis with HCl form acetic acid and ammonium chloride. So this is a simple method by which you convert chloromethane into ethanoic acid. There are two-step process, so you are going to get 1 mark, half marks for this and half marks for this. Now third case, Acetic acid will be converted into methane, that is class 10th level reaction. Acetic acid combined with NaOH forms sodium acetate. It is treated with soda lime, NaOH plus CO. COO is must here because with NaOH you are not going to get Na2CO3. So all the byproduct must be written, the reaction must be balanced. Now in OR, the A is what? Butane 2-on, and B is butane 2-ol, and C is butene, and D is ozonide of butene. The double bond will be broken, and in place of double bond 3 oxygen will be arranged in hut-like structure, and E is acetaldehyde. Now in question number 14, a first order reaction 50% completed in 30 minutes at 300 Kelvin and in 10 minutes at 320 Kelvin. Calculate the activation energy for the reaction. The same reaction is given, but one had completed 50% in 30 minutes at different temperature, 10 minutes at 320 different temperature. When the temperature is changed, the value of rate constant will also get changed. Now how will you do the answer? Now see here, at 300 Kelvin, the K1 is 0.693 upon 30 because it is 30 minutes completed. So K1 will be what? 0.023 per minutes. At 320, K2 will be 0.693 upon 10. 10 minutes completed it is given, and it will be 0.0693 per minute. Now we got two rate constant at two different temperature. The formula to calculate the activation energy, log K2 upon K1, EA upon 2.033 R, T2 minus T1 upon T2 T1. Now you can calculate the value of EA by this value. It will be 43839.29 joule per mole. If you will see the question number 15, explain the following. Transition metal and their compounds generally exhibit a paramagnetic behavior. Second question, there is an increase in density of element from titanium to copper in 3D series of transition element. K2Cr2O7 act as a powerful oxidizing agent. All three questions belong to the D block elements. How will you write the answer? Now, due to presence of unpaired electron, transition elements are paramagnetic. Due to increase in nuclear charge, atomic volume decreases while atomic mass increases when we are moving titanium to copper. The atomic masses increases, but the volume decreases due to increase in nuclear charge, so the density will also increase. And in the last, where K2Cr2O7 is good oxidizing agent, it liberate nascent oxygen in acidic medium, so it will be a good oxidizing agent which oxidizes other substance. We can take here also in K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium have convert oxidation state from +6, that is highest oxidation state, to +3, so it will be a good oxidizing agent. So we are having two options, but better to go with the liberate nascent oxygen. That is a now next video you will see the 5 marks question.